welcome back to Belly Dancer Diaries and to today's video tutorial, which is a beautiful mesmerizing arm movement. Oh, look at that. I'm surprised I haven't taught this one before. I was teaching it to my class the other day, they loved it. I was surprised I hadn't taught it to them as well. So if you like this super special hand move, uses the wrists, the arms, the hands, then please keep watching. Okay, so what are we doing? There are three really important things with this move. Number one is that your hands are joined by the wrists. So the whole time your wrists are together, even though they're moving from front to back, it's the wrist. So if I show you this way, one wrist comes around, other wrist comes down, you can see my wrists are always touching. When the wrists are touching, we're not touching with the rest of the hand as well. So you don't want to bring the whole hand together. It's just the wrists coming forward and back, forward and back. The other thing is that you want your fingers nice and energetic. So not super straight, but pointing away from the rest of your arm. So try not to bring them out too far or in too far. They're staying out, away from the rest of your arm, nice and relaxed. Now, third thing that you want to keep in mind when you're doing this move is that you're not using that circle to come up and down. You try and get stillness in terms of where you are in space, even though that you're moving the hands and the wrists around. Okay, so that's just an example to give you those three tips. You wouldn't really do this move in front. It's really lovely here. It's also lovely out to the side, and it's really nice up ahead as well. So easiest way I found to learn this move is to watch someone doing it from the back. So I'm going to do it from the back now really slowly, so hopefully you can follow along and learn this move really beautifully. So starting with our hands up, our wrists together, we're bringing our right hand back, then we turn both hands. This time bring the right hand forward, front of the wrist touching, then back of the wrist touching, front of the wrist touching, and back, forward and back, forward and back. And then once you've got the movement, start to smooth it out. Nice soft arms, nice soft fingers. And there you go. So I hope you like this move. It's a really beautiful one. It's quite dramatic as well though, so I wouldn't use it throughout a whole choreography, maybe just once or twice in a choreography. It's really, really beautiful. And it's a lovely one because it looks so graceful and works very nicely with our slow flowing music and our tuck-sim as well. So let me know what you think. Let me know how you go with this move. Any questions, please write them down below. Remember to like, give us some thumbs up, subscribe, share this video with somebody who you think will benefit from this move too. And as always, happy dancing.